Alright, let's do a small review about this Birchwood Echo. So I'll tell you my experience with this product, so that way you know what to expect. So I'm going to tell you the good, bad, and the ugly of this thing. So for instance, here you have the legs. The legs, you can spin them here. So if you want like a small adjustment, you know, going up and down, you can do the same thing in the front and in the back. So here, if you see here, this, you can do the same thing. You can spin it and then you can go up and down. It's not very practical. I don't like it that much, but this is what it is. So if you see this pipe here, if you're thinking why it's not black, well, because the original it was shorter, at least for air guns, at least like this, is not long enough. So I had to buy one of those electric conduits, and then I made my own. So I had to make 2 holes here, a few here, and then with this that you see here, this knob, you can adjust the length. Other than that, that is what you're getting. Later here you have another knob, so if you want to tighten this up, but otherwise you can use this. So if you want to go up and down with this wheel, you can spin it towards one way or the other, and then you can do the final adjustment. And like I said, you have the legs, so if you want to do the same thing. If I had to buy it again, would I buy it? Probably not. I don't like it. You don't have any level here or here. Also, when you have a very long rifle like I do, straight, you know, you have to stretch yourself in order to spin the wheel. Not very convenient. Another thing, the device here that you have here and here, there is no way to, you know, close it. So basically, you're going to have this issue like this, and it sucks. So I mean, if you want, you can go on my YouTube channel and the playlist. I have more videos about different type of bench rest. It works, but not very well. So if you're willing to put up with all these flaws, that's fine. Or maybe you have just a regular firearm, and that will be okay for you. Otherwise, for me, it's not a good option. Otherwise, if you don't want to deal with this, or you want something simpler, you can get a bipod like you see here. You see, and then it will do the kind of the same job. And then you buy one of these bags, sandbags, and then you can do basically kind of the same thing. Here you have the. I made another video about this. I don't want to make this video about this, but if you want to make it longer, you can. Otherwise, you can make it shorter. And those are the options that you have. Here, you don't have any bias or anything like that, but it will be stable enough because you have this and it's not moving anywhere here. So I think it's better than the other option. So if you want to keep learning more about this, go to my playlist and you will see my other bench rest, so that way you can compare and decide what you want to get. If you want to buy it, I can leave you in the video description the link of this or something else. Thank you for watching. See you next time.